The digestive system, nutrients. Nutrients. Raw materials which provide energy and the building blocks of life. Organic nutrients contain carbon and are made by living organisms, including carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins. Inorganic nutrients do not contain carbon and are not made by living organisms. These would include water and minerals. Water, minerals, and vitamins are small and can be absorbed directly into the blood. So why do we have to digest? Well, there are 3 reasons. Molecules can be too large to pass through the cell membrane. Fats and some carbohydrates must be broken down to become water and minerals. Simple building blocks must be rearranged into human carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Carbohydrates. Element components include carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The building blocks are monosaccharides, which are simple sugars. The use is a source of energy. Fats or lipids. These have the same element components as our carbohydrates, except they have higher ratios of hydrogen. The building blocks include glycerol and fatty acids, and they're used for as well as source of energy, like carbohydrates, for insulating, solvents for some vitamins. Proteins. These components include carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but nitrogen as well. Nitrogen's the big difference. The building blocks are amino acids, and they're used in cell structure, function, enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. Vitamins. Some are water-soluble and require consumption every day, like vitamin B and C. Others are fat-soluble and can be stored in body fat. Includes vitamin A, D, E, and K. It's always good to go outside and get your sun. Some are produced by bacteria in the large intestine. So that would include vitamin K, as well as different B vitamins. Major health problems can result if a person has too much or too little of a vitamin. I had a friend that got scurvy in university because he didn't have enough vitamin C. And the doctor said to him, this is a disease that's been cured for over 200 years, but yet you get it when you go to university. So remember, make sure you have your vitamin C. Water. Water makes up 70% of body mass. It's also a medium for transport. It helps in its excretion. It aids in digestion and absorption of food. It acts as a lubricant, and it aids in heat regulation. Minerals. We have 2 different types, major and trace. So we'll start with major. Major includes calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sodium, chlorine, and sulfur. Calcium is important for healthy bones and teeth, and in muscles and nerve function. Phosphorus is important for healthy bones and is a component of energy storage compounds. Now trace minerals. So trace amount means very small amount, but you still need that amount. It includes iron, iodine, zinc, copper, and manganese. Iron's an important component in hemoglobin, a component of blood. Iodine is an important component of hormone that regulates metabolism. The digestive system is made up of three main parts. We have the mouth, then the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and the anal region. And the digestive glands are found along the digestive tract or in accessory nearby organs. Digestive glands. These are groups of specialized secretory cells. Salivary glands, liver, pancreas, and gastric glands. Secretions like mucus, enzyme, and bile enter the digestive tract through small tubes called ducts. And that's it for our nutrients portion of the digestive system.